Well, look, this is a community centre run by the Somali Bravanese community, which is not far from the Kenyan border in Somalia. Here they run a community centre which is frequented by hundreds of people every day. It has hundreds of children coming along to after school classes, but also other members of the community, non-Muslim. Whilst I've been here this morning, in fact, the rabbi from the local synagogue about a mile up the road has come to offer his support. Clearly people are very shocked at what they've come across this morning. You can probably just make out behind me the London Fire Brigade crane. They've been working over the top of the building, which has partially collapsed. It was a very serious fire. Earlier I spoke to one of the members of the community centre who said to me that this has taken them all by surprise.
And Kurt, we're just looking at, from our helicopter flying over the Islamic Centre, I mean, it's completely devastated. There's almost nothing left of it.
Look, this was a very serious fire, there can be no doubt about that. And some of the people I've spoken to this morning, who are regular attendees at this community centre, say they saw this building before the cordons were put in place, and they tell me that they saw fresh racist graffiti. I think that is why the police are saying they cannot rule out that this was a racist attack. And of course the people themselves are deeply concerned that this may be a response to what we saw in Woolwich. The police have been carrying out a fingertip search of the area inside the cordon, but beyond the building itself. A lot of police officers down here doing that. The fire brigade have been here since 4 o'clock this morning carrying out their own investigation. But as you said in your introduction, this is now a police investigation, a very serious one, and clearly they are concerned that this has the hallmarks of a racist attack, but they're not confirming that at the moment. But the community here are very much shocked. They've lived and worked together for 23 years, they tell me, with many different parts of this community. It's not a major centre for worship, it is a community centre. That there makes them even more surprised that they may have been such a target.